how to create a user account on Windows 11. So this might be a new account or an existing account to your system, so it might be helpful to you. So let's get started. So for this process, you'll have to click on this Windows icon over there on your taskbar. So simply click on it and go for the option settings. So simply open the settings from there. And from the settings, you'll have to move for the option like your profile section, like it will appear in the top left corner of your screen. So simply click on this profile section. So here you have to scroll down and find the options like other user. So simply click on this other user option. And from here you can add the user to your system. So simply click on this add account. Like it will recommend you to create user with Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can simply go through a Microsoft account, or you can also do with a local account. So like in this video, we will go through the local account. So simply I have to click on this option. I don't have this person sign information. So from here, you will have to choose for the options like add a user without a Microsoft account. So simply click on it. Okay, so here you'll have to give the username for that account. So I'm giving a random username. So to make your user account secure, you can set a password here. So I'm simply clicking on this next option without creating a password. Alright, now I have created a local account from the other user. So likewise, you can also create a user on your Windows 11. Like it can be your Microsoft account or it's generally a local account. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tech tutorial like this. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.